To help establish that connection of the pelvic floor to the breath, you're going to come to lie on your back with the knees bent and the feet on the wall. So you're making a 90-degree angle at the knee joint. Support the head with the blanket. I'm using a yoga block here. You're going to place the Pilates ball between the knees. Now when I breathe in, I'm going to look for that expansion of my rib cage and my abdominal wall. When I breathe out, I'm going to squeeze the ball, think engagement of the pelvic floor. And when I breathe in, I'm going to release the ball, release the pelvic floor, and again, look for expansion of the ribs and the abdomen. When I exhale, I'm going to look to squeeze the ball, engage the pelvic floor, and you might start to feel that your lower transverse abs are firing here. Just continue with this. When you inhale, release. When you exhale, squeeze the ball, engage the pelvic floor. What we're doing is we're firing up the inner thigh muscles, our abductors, which are connected to the pelvis and help to establish and reinforce that lift of the pelvic floor, which then connects us to our lower TAs, our lower transverse abdominis muscle. We're building up that strength slowly so we can move on to the next exercise and start to add a little bit more load.